Okay, first thing you do is you always go to machine type, go to Techno Servo Router, brings up this manager. Under properties, you go to stock setup. So within Y, I'm going to go 16 inches. Within X, I'm going to go 8, and it's 3/4 inch MDF. And I'm going to put the bit in the lower left corner, display, and I can see it. Okay, F9 brings down my Cartesian coordinates. I'm going to create a rectangle, snapping at the origin, going over 7 and up 7. I'm done. Fit screen. Then I'm going to go X-form offset contour. I want to offset that contour. I'm not going to go a 1/2 inch in. I'm actually going to go a little bit less than that, about 20 thousandths under, so 0.48. And there's my game board. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to go create rectangle. This is my puzzle piece. I'm going to just create it over here. It's over 6, up 6, snap. And then from here, I'm going to create a line from here to here, here to the midpoint, midpoint to midpoint. And then on this one, I'm going to go perpendicular to this line. So that's a 45 reference. So I'm not sure how long it is. So I'll make it, a certain length, but then go 225 degrees. I'll create a line from here to the midpoint and from here vertically down. Okay, so those are all my puzzle pieces. I do need to trim this line back to here and this line back to here. And then I'm going to copy it by dragging it. So I go X-form, drag. I select it all. I'm done selecting. This is copy, so I'm going to just drag it right over here. Okay, here's clear colors. I'm going to do these two triangles first and then this one. So let me delete this line, and this line, and then trim this line back to here and this line back to here. Okay. Oh, and then let me actually delete this line as well, and then recreate a line from here to here and here to here. Okay. Then I'm going to go X-form, drag. I want to drag this, this, and this. I'm done selecting. I want to drag them up here. That's probably good. And actually, I wanted to move it, not copy it. Okay, let me zoom in a little bit. Now I'm going to have to recreate that line. So here's my previous operation. Draw a line from here to here. And then here's my drag command. I'm going to drag this, this, and this up to there, leaving about a 1/4 inch between every part. A little bit more than a 1/4 inch. And again, I'm going to drag this triangle. I'm just kind of placing them, kind of the way the puzzle goes together. But I do want to make sure I do leave enough room to get some screws in up there. Okay, then I'm done that operation. Let me get rid of this triangle, this one, this one. I'll trim this line back to here and this line back to here. Oops. And actually, let me just drag this a little bit closer so I can zoom in. And then I'll zoom in a little tighter here. Okay, and then I'm going to trim this line back to here. This is one solid line, so I'm going to delete that line and recreate it from here to here and here to here. And then this is one solid line as well, so I'm going to delete that and recreate it in 4 pieces. Oops. Create a line from here to here. Okay, And then now I'm going to drag these pieces in. So again, here's previous operations, drag. I want to drag this, this, and this. Done selecting. I'll pull it up right about here. That'll give me enough room for my screws in the corner of my board to hold it down. I recreate this line, and then again drag this, 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 and this. You know, there's a lot of ways to do this. This is just one, and it might not even be the most efficient way. But, okay. And finally, I'm going to drag my parallelogram up and over. I think I have enough room. I'm going to put it a little bit higher, and then I'm actually going to just move this triangle a little bit higher too. Okay, so I'm all done with my CAD portion. Oh, you know what? Let me just move the pocket over so I have some room for screws over here too. So again, that's drag. So I'm just going to drag this just a little bit up and over. So I'm all, oops. Okay, I'm all done with the CAD portion. Then the next step is the tool pathing portion.